Hello friends, my name is Ajay Khot. Today the topic is string in Java. String in Java is the object that are the blocked internally by the characteristics array. Since the array are the immutable, cannot be grow. String are the immutable as the will. Whenever a change to the string is the made a new string in created Java string. Java string is the basically an object that is the represent sequence of the characteristic value in an array of the characteristic work of the same as the Java string. For the example, characteristics array, characteristic is equal to ABCD, string is equal to string S is equal to new string, object characteristics. Java string class is provided the lot of the method in to perform operation on strings such as the compare, equal, length, replace, compare to, intern, substring, etc. The Java long string is the class of the unmutable, serializable, and the comparable and the characteristic sequence interfaces. Characteristic sequence interfaces. The characteristic sequences interfaces is the used to the represent the sequence of the characteristics. The string is the string and string buffer and the string builder classes implement. It is mean that you can be create the string in Java by using these three classes. Characteristic sequence in Java. First, the Java string is unmutable, which means the cannot be changed. Whenever we change any string, a new instance of the carried for the unmutable string. How can use string buffer and string builder classes? We will be discuss the unmutable string later. It's the first understand what string in Java is and how to create the string object. What is the string in Java? Generally, string is the sequence of the characteristics, but is the Java string is an object and represent the sequence of characteristics. The Java is long string classes is used to the string of object. How to create the string object? There are the two way of create the string in object. By string is literal, by new keyword string literal, and Java string literal is the created by the using the double. For example, string S is equal to welcome. Each time of the create a string literal, the JVM is check the string constant flow. First, if the string is already exist in the flow, a represents up to the instance is the returned. Two string is do not exist the poll. A new string is instance in the create the placed in the poll. For example, in this above the example, only one object will be created. The firstly JVM will not be find the string object with the value welcome string constant flow, that is the create the new object. After that is will be find the string with the value welcome of the flow. It will not create the new object but will be return the reference of the same instance. If Java is use the concept of the string literal to make the more memory of the because the no object are created if the exit already in the string constant flow. Second is by new keyword. String is S is equal to new string welcome create into the two object and one reference variable. In such case, JVM will be create the new string object normally non-flow heap memory and lateral welcome will be placed in the string constant. Flow the variable will be object is heap non-flow, and Java string is classes method. The Java long string class provided main useful method to perform the operation no sequence of the characteristics value. Thank you.